Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are going to be talking about how to 2-look OLL. So if you haven't, please check out my 3x3 part 5, as that is the beginner's OLL. And this is only for viewers that had already finished basically checking out my OLL video, the beginner's OLL. So yeah, let's get started. Wait. Alright, so now I'm back with a much bigger cube. I don't know why I just grabbed that out of the box, like Vogue 3 Power or something, out of the shelf, when the Megan 356M is like right next to it. Alright, so basically, I'm going to be focusing on the yellow face for now as OLL. So basically, this is going to be the full tutorial on how to 2-look OLL. Alright, so this is the first case. The first case is basically where you have a dot. And for this case, if you learned it from the beginner's method, it's basically this algorithm. And then after that, you always know that you're going to have sort of this over here. So you can just flip it over to this side and then do that algorithm. So basically this is the second case where you have a backwards L on the left top. Do the second case, and then as you can see there is the third case here. So basically a line in the middle. Do that again, and then here is the fourth case, or the last case, where you already have the cross. So for the cross, you can just do the cross algorithm. I mean the specific cross algorithm to solve the yellow face. So for 2-look OLL, you cannot have sort of just doing this algorithm like 5 times or so to solve the yellow face. Instead, you need to, I will put a link right in the top right corner that will be linked into the OLL algorithms, which is how to solve basically after the yellow cross. So basically what I'm saying here is, for example, if I scramble this up, alright, so this is the first example case we're going to do. Basically, in OLL, you don't want, in 2-look OLL, you don't want a lot of cube rotations. And here we're only doing one. So first, you know that you're going to do that, and then you can just flip to the other side because always is going to be this case, and then you can just do that. And then you don't need to do the F move back because you know that it's always going to be a line here. So you can just do that algorithm again. So that is 1-look, and then here you can just do the OLL algorithm for 2-look. Alright, so here is our second example case. Basically, I see this, so I can just quickly move into that, and then that's the second algorithm, so that's 2-look. Alright, so this is a third case. I can just do something like, I know that, so I can do that. And then since I know this algorithm too, I can do that. That is 2-look again. Okay, so now we are going to do some full solves to show you what, basically how fast your reaction time should be like. So, for example, let me just do some inspection. And, alright, so this could be solved like, so cross, and then like that, and then this is F2L. I don't know why I just did that. Oops. Alright, so that is F2L. So now I can just very easily go straight into OLL and then that algorithm to finish OLL. Alright, now for the second whole solve, I have, let's see, pretty easy scramble, I think. Alright, so let's go. Oops. It's really hard for me to see you here because there is the camera. Alright, so that is a quick OLL. Basically, your OLL after 2 looks should get down to at most 5 seconds. If it's not really working, then please tell me, because for example, for this case, I can just quickly do that and then do 2 of these and then do this algorithm to complete OLL. Alright, so let's do one more. Okay, so this is one last example solve. I see I can do this. Righty. Alright, so here we have that case, and then I can just do that to complete OLL. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys learned a lot. And if you have any questions, please either send an email to bulletcubing@gmail.com or just leave a comment down below. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!